yeah, there's cars coming by. So, a quick morning vlog. Halloween is on the way. And all the scary stuff is out here. Absolutely. Leaves are coming down. And GoPro is doing its best to create a great picture. You know, as we all know, very reliable GoPro Hero 10, the best there ever was. And I can tell you right now, I don't need the 11 because this is great, right? Let's enjoy the image quality and the beautiful autumn colors that nature has to offer right now. We are on a dog walk this morning, like every morning. This time I waited for the light to come out. It's not so dark, so GoPro can shine. So when there's enough light, sunlight and colors, that's when the GoPro shines. With the light and colors. Every camera is going to shine if the camera focuses good. Look at this. Is that good in focus? Square, right? Yes, it is. Now let's take a quick peek at the colors. Look at this here. Isn't that nice? So we are looking at this somewhat quiet place in town for my vlog this morning. Happy Halloween to everybody. The light is great right now, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And sign up for more, maybe. I don't know. It's gonna get cold. It's gonna get sad out here, dark, and clouds, snow, whatever. That's gonna happen soon. So this is one of my last vlogs with great colors in the background. You can still hear the road noise. And let's see what my little friend Lucy says to this. Lucy is with me this morning. Oh, but not with you, obviously, so she doesn't want to be on the show. But Lucy, where are you going? Hey, where are you going? You're going the wrong way here. You want to be in the picture, no? Do you not want to be in the picture? There she is. Yeah, more interested in sniffing the ground than anything else.